Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is continuation part of our series trigonometric identities. So start करते हैं हम आज के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. Here is our first question. Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to sin A plus cos A. These type of questions are quite important from examination point of view. बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में काफ़ी फ्रिक्वेंटली ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम अवर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज गिवन कॉस ए डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस टेन ए प्लस साइन ए डिवाइड बाई 1 माइनस कॉट ए. ओके, और इसको हमें इक्वेट करना है साइन ए प्लस कॉस ए के. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल if we see our right hand side, it only contains sin and cos. So very first thing which we are going to do is convert our left hand side in the form of sin and cos only. So numerator में we are having cos A and sin A, okay, but denominator में we are having tan A and cot A. So we will change these tan A into sin A divided by cos A and cot A into cos A divided by sin A. So it will become cos A divided by 1 minus tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A plus sin A whole divided by 1 minus cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Now what will we do? We will take LCM in the denominator. So cos A whole divided by denominator में we take LCM, we will get cos A here, and cos A into 1 is cos A minus these cos A will be cancelled out. So 1 into sin A is sin A plus second term में भी numerator sin A will be as it is, and we will take LCM in the denominator. So if we write 1 here, we will get LCM sin A. Again sin A into 1 is sin A, and minus sin A and sin A will be cancelled out. So 1 into cos A is cos A. Okay. Now next step, cos A whole divided by cos A minus sin A and divide by cos A will be multiplied here, cos A plus sin A divided by sin A minus cos A, and this denominator will also be multiplied into numerator, so we will get into sin A. Next, cos A into cos A will become cos square A. Cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus this will also be multiplied, and we will get sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Sin A minus cos A. Okay, now if you see denominator of both the terms, so first term is cos A minus sin A and second टर्म में है sin A माइनस cos A. सो टर्म सेम है, ओनली साइन का डिफरेंस है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल टेक आउट माइनस साइन कॉमन फ्रॉम द सेकेंड टर्म्स डिनोमिनेटर. सो इट विल गेट cos स्क्वायर A डिवाइड बाई, लेट इट बी एज इट इज़, फर्स्ट टर्म को एज इट इज़ रहने देते हैं, प्लस sin स्क्वायर A divide by, if we take minus common from the denominator, so it will become cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. Sin A. Alright. Now, in next step, cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A, and this minus sign and this plus sign will become minus. When these get multiplied, it will become minus, and sin square A divide by cos A minus sin A. Okay, now denominator of both the terms are same, so we can take LCM now. So LCM will be cos A minus sin A only, क्योंकि दोनों के ही डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. एंड इन न्यूमरेटर वी विल गेट cos स्क्वायर A माइनस sin स्क्वायर A. cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, this is what we had got. So now we will apply A square minus B square identity in the numerator. So we know A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Now if you compare cos square A minus sin square A from A square minus B square, so A is equal to cos A and B is equal to sin A. Okay, so now we will change it in the form of A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B will be cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A, and next cos A minus sin A. Alright, and denominator we are having cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A. Now this cos A minus sin A and cos A minus sin A will get cancelled out, and we will get cos of A plus sin of A. Okay, and this was our right hand side, so it is proved now. Alright, so this was the question. You have to change लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के कंपैरिजन में जो भी हमें प्रूव करना है उससे अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल चेंज. नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. cos थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू cosec थीटा प्लस cot थीटा. So again we are going to start solving left hand side. Left hand side में given है this much. Now if you see right hand side, we are having here cosec theta plus cot theta. So we can convert our left hand side in the form of these two ratios. How? Cos theta and sin theta है. If we divide each and every term of this given equation by sin theta, so what will you get? Cos theta divided by sin theta will become cot theta. Sin theta divided by sin theta will become 1, and 1 divided by sin theta will become cosec theta. So in this way, whole left hand side will be converted in the form of these two ratios. So we are going to do same thing. We are dividing sin theta from each and every term of this equation. So what will we get? We will divide cos theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus 1 divided by sin theta, and same thing in the denominator, cos theta divided by sin theta plus sin theta divided by sin theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. Okay, now cos theta divided by sin theta will be cot theta. Sin theta and sin theta will get cancelled out and become 1, plus 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. Whole divided by again cos by sin cot theta plus sin theta by sin theta 1, and 1 by sin theta cosec theta. Now we will rearrange these terms. So we'll get cot theta plus cosec theta, cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1, and इसको भी rearrange करें. So we will get cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now if we take these two terms together, so 1 को हम convert करेंगे. We know an identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So if we shift this cos square theta towards cosec square theta, we will get 1 is equal to कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. सो 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस 1 वी विल राइट दिस. ओके, सो इट विल बिकम कॉट थीटा प्लस कॉसेक थीटा. दोनों टर्म्स को हम एक कॉमन टर्म कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. माइनस साइन है, सो वी विल यूज ब्रैकेट एंड वी विल राइट 1 एज कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज लेफ्ट अनटच्ड, मीन्स we will write as it is cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Okay, now we will solve numerator only. Cot theta plus cosec theta, cot theta plus cosec theta minus, here we can apply identity a square minus b square. So it will become a plus b into a minus b. A is cosec theta and b is cot theta. So it will become cosec theta a plus b, cosec theta plus cot theta into a minus b. So it will be cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, and whole divide by denominator same, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Next we are taking this whole term as a single term and this is our second term. So here we are having common cot theta plus cosec theta. Here also cot theta plus cosec theta. So we will take out this term common. What will we get? Cot theta plus cosec theta is common. So we will get here whole term is common. So we'll get 1 minus, and this is common, so cosec theta minus cot theta. In bracket we will get cosec theta minus cot theta, and denominator same, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Okay, now solve further. We will get cot theta plus cosec theta, this first term, and if we solve this we will get 1 minus sign will get multiplied to these two terms, so sign of these terms will be changed. We will get 1 minus cosec theta plus cot theta. All right, and denominator same, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now if you arrange this term cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1, these two terms are same, so these terms will be cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and we will get cot theta plus cosec theta only. Okay, so we will get here cot theta plus cosec theta, and this is what our right hand side, so it is proved now. Okay, this question is very important for board exams, so practice this question and you will get similar type of questions in your book. So solve these or solve those questions also, and if you have any doubt then ask in comment section. For now let us see next question. So here is our next question. Sec a plus tan a minus 1 into sec a minus tan a plus 1 is equal to 2 tan a. Okay, so we have to solve left hand side, and if you see right hand side you are having tan a here, only tan a. इट मीन्स कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो भी रेशियोज़ आपके पास हैं, यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज दीज रेशियोज़ इन एनी अदर रेशियोज़, बिकॉज इन राइट हैंड साइड वी आर हैविंग tan a ओनली एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी वी आर हैविंग tan a. सो ओके, रेशियो चेंज करने की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हम करने क्या वाले हैं, इफ़ यू सी sec a tan a1, all the terms are common in both the terms. So what will we do? Sec a plus tan a minus 1. We will take these two terms together, tan a minus 1. sec a को हम एक टर्म कंसीडर करते हैं एंड tan a minus 1 को हम दूसरा टर्म कंसीडर करते हैं. सेम काम हम करेंगे सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में. सो sec a is sec a. नाउ here minus, so we will take out minus sign common. What will happen? Sign of these two terms, tan a and 1, will be changed. So it will become tan a minus 1. Okay. Now if you take it as a and b, same here, sec a and tan a minus 1 is b. So you can compare this with an identity a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we know what is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so we will write it as a square minus b square. A sec a का square is sec square a minus b का square means tan a minus 1 का whole square. tan a minus 1 whole square. Sec square a minus. Now use the identity a minus b का whole square. So we know the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So compare करेंगे. So we will get a is equal to tan a and b is equal to 1. Okay. So minus sign है. We have to use bracket here. A square, that is tan a का square, tan square a minus 2ab. So 2 into 1 into tan a plus b square, that is 1, so 1 का square. Now solve this. Sec square a minus tan square a minus ये multiply होके it will become 2 tan a plus 1. Now what will we do? We will rearrange the terms inside the bracket. Sec square a minus tan square a plus 1 and minus 2 tan a. 2 tan a. Okay. So here you know 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So इसकी प्लेस में we can write sec square a minus 2 tan a. Now due to minus sign out of the bracket, sign of these two terms will be changed and you will get sec square a minus sec square a and plus 2 tan a. Okay, so this sec square a and sec square a will be cancelled out and you will get only 2 times of tan a, and this was our right hand side. Okay, so it is also proved. ओके, सो ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, ऑल ऑफ दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. सो प्रैक्टिस दीज क्वेश्चंस एंड इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट्स सो कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताइए. आई विल सॉल्व ऑल योर डाउट्स. रेस्ट आप प्रैक्टिस करिए. मैं मिलूँगी आपसे नए वीडियो में नए आइडेंटिटीज़ के साथ. और तब तक अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए सो दैट कोई भी नया वीडियो आए तो नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहुँचे. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में.